So, preparation of worksheet. Learning objective. After reading this information sheet, you must be able to understand the process of worksheet, understand the purpose of worksheet, discuss how to balance all the total of each column, analyze how to debit and to credit. So, we have the definition, types, and preparation process of a worksheet. So, a worksheet, it is a multiple column form that is used in preparing and adjusting financial statement. So, ang worksheet po ay merong 10 column worksheet at merong 12 column worksheet that is used in preparing a adjustment and financial statement. So, ang purpose po ng worksheet ay para madali yung pagpe-prepare ng financial statement at mas fair yung ating financial statement. So, meron tayong three types of worksheet. The general worksheet, the detailed worksheet, and the audit worksheet. So, for preparing accounting worksheet, you must follow 8 simple steps to verify accounting information accuracy before preparation of financial statement. Prepare financial statement from a worksheet is relatively easy because all necessary accounting information is properly presented and structured in the worksheet. So, sabi ko nga kanina, mas napapadali yung pagpe-prepare ng financial statement using this worksheet. Kasi nandoon na lahat ng detailed na kailangan sa pagpe-prepare ng financial statement. So, worksheet is prepared in a systematic manner and in a chronological way. Okay? So, kaya mas napapadali na yung pag-prepare ng financial statement. At mas nagiging fair and true na yung financial statement. So, multiple column sheets wherein all necessary information used for the preparation of financial statement is recorded in a systematic process that is called a worksheet. The worksheet is not a permanent account. It is not a part of a journal, hindi rin siya part ng ledger, but it is a device used for easy preparation of adjusting entries and the financial statement. So, the worksheet is a multi-column sheet or a computer spreadsheet where the accountant writes in brief information necessary for the preparation of adjusting entries and financial statements. So, meron tayong steps for preparing accounting worksheet. Number 1, name of business, organization, and preparation date. So, at the beginning of the worksheet, the name of the organization for which worksheet is prepared is to be written in the bold form and also the date of preparation of the worksheet is to be mentioned. So, gamitin po natin yung illustration na prepare ko para mas maintindihan natin yung process natin in doing worksheet. So, ito po yun. Ang unang step natin is to prepare the header or the heading. At meron tayong tatlong bagay na dapat tandaan in preparing the heading. Una, name of the company or name of the owner, and then term worksheet to prepare financial statement, and then the date or the December 31, 2013. So, usually, lagi namang December 31 talaga kasi for the year ended ito. So, ang nababago lang talaga is the year, okay? So, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung term na worksheet lang, okay? Worksheet. And then, for the year ended December 31 at kung anong taon siya. Okay? So, yun yung tatlong laman ng heading. Name of the owner, term na worksheet, and then for the year ended December 31. Okay? And then, we have the step 2. Drawing column and mentioning the head of the column. Drawing column titles are to be mentioned here. For example, the serial number in the first column, the title of accounts in the second column, and thereafter pair columns. So, sa step 2 natin, ang kailangan natin gawin ay paglalagay ng mga accounts like trial balance, adjustments, the adjusted trial balance, income statement, statement of retained earnings, and then balance sheet. At paglalagay po ng debit and credit column under sa mga accounts na yon. Okay? So, yun po yung ating step 2. So, ang step 3 naman po natin ay, ayan, balikan po natin. So, unadjusted trial balance. So, after the serial number and accounts title columns in the unadjusted trial balance, per column ledger accounts balances are posted straight to check the agreement of trial balance. So, this trial balance is called pre-closing trial balance as it is prepared with the ledger balances before keeping accounts of adjustment items. So, sa third step naman natin, pagta-transfer ng trial balance. Kasi 'di ba, ang unang step natin ng cycle is journalizing process. And then, posting process, pine-prepare natin yung general ledger. And then, sanay na tayong mag-prepare ng trial balance or tinatawag natin na unadjusted trial balance. So, dalawang data yung kailangan natin in preparing the worksheet. So, dito sa prepare ko, meron ako ditong trial balance. At yung trial balance na to ay gagamitin natin in this preparing worksheet. So, ayan. Ayaw siyang bumaba. Okay, so kailangan natin itong trial balance na to. Ita-transfer natin yung mga data like accounts title and debit and credit amounts. Okay? So, ayan. Mula dito sa cash, from the trial balance, cash, the accounts receivable, equipment, accounts payable, unearned revenue, notes payable, capital stock, revenue, salaries expense, advertising expense, fuel expense, and dividends. So, ita-transfer natin yan from trial balance to worksheet. Dito natin siya isusulat sa space para sa accounts. Okay? So, ayan, naisulat na. From cash to dividends. And then, under ng trial balance, debit and credit amount, ita-transfer din natin yung kanilang amount. Ayan, nandiyan lang po sa trial balance. Itong 15,500, 4,500, 45,000, and 4,000, 3,000, 20,000, 30,000, 31,000, and 15,000, 5,000, 2,000, and 1,000. Okay? Ita-transfer natin siya under ng debit column and credit column under ng trial balance. And then, isusulat din natin yung kanyang balance, the debit balance and credit balance na 88,000. So, eto po siya. Ang another option dito, pwede naman dito sa ilalim ng dividends, ayan, i-disregard muna natin yung mga accounts title na yan from the depreciation hanggang interest payable. Pwede kayong maglagay ng term na total sa ilalim ng dividends and then dito nyo ilalagay yung balance sa ilalim ng 1,000, yung 88,000 at saka nyo i-double rule. Pero dito kasi sa naka-present dito ay ipinantay na siya dito sa iba pang accounts. Okay? So, pwede nyo rin pwede nyo rin na ganito yung gawin nyo. And then, the next step natin is the adjustment. Okay? So, transferring adjustment or adjusting entries from the journal to worksheet. Okay? So, yung mga adjustment data natin ay kailangan ma-transfer natin from the journal entry to this worksheet. Okay? So, ang pagpe-prepare po dito, ang isa nyong dapat natandaan, kung yung nasa adjusting entries na accounts title, ay meron din yung trial balance or the original accounts ay hindi nyo na po siya idadagdag pa sa ilalim. Ang idinadagdag lang po dito sa ilalim, ayan, katulad ditong depreciation expense, accumulated depreciation, salaries payable, ito yung mga nasa journal entries na wala dito sa original accounts from the trial balance. Kaya, idinagdag siya dito sa ilalim. Okay? So, ayan. Ayan. So, katulad po dito sa number 1 natin, meron tayong adjustment data dito, 4 na adjustment data. So, yung number 1 natin is depreciation expense, 5,000, credit accumulated depreciation, 5,000. So, to record annual depreciation expense. Okay? So, yan. I-entry natin yung depreciation expense. Kung papansinin nyo po, wala tayong depreciation expense dito sa original accounts natin from cash to dividends. Kaya idadagdag natin siya, isusulat natin siya sa ilalim ng dividends. Okay? Depreciation expense debit 5,000. Okay? Kasi nasa side siya ng debit or column ng debit. And then accumulated depreciation 5,000. So, since wala ding accumulated depreciation dito sa ating original account, idadagdag din natin siya dito sa ilalim kasunod ng depreciation expense. Credit naman na 5,000. Okay? So, next naman natin is yung salaries expense. Sa salaries expense natin, ang entry ay debit salaries expense 2,000, credit salaries payable 2,000. Okay? To record accrued salaries due to employees. So, sa salaries expense natin, kung papansinin nyo, from cash to dividends, meron tayong data or meron tayong account na salaries expense. Kaya hindi na natin kailangan idagdag pa dito sa ilalim yung term or yung account na salaries expense. Ang lalagay na lang po natin is yung amount na debit 2,000 dito sa under ng adjustment. So, ayun po yun. Ito, debit 2,000. And then next is credit salaries payable 2,000. At wala po tayong record na salaries payable from the original account, kaya idadagdag natin yung salaries payable dito sa ilalim ng accumulated depreciation na credit 2,000. Okay? And then next, pangatlong entry natin is debit interest expense 1,200, credit interest payable 1,200. Okay, so dito sa entry natin, kung papansinin natin ay wala tayong interest expense sa original account, kaya idadagdag natin. Same as with interest payable. So, debit interest expense under ng adjustment column, and then interest payable credit 1,200 under naman ng under pa din ng adjustment column. Okay? And then lastly natin na entry or adjustment entry ay debit unearned revenue 1,800 and credit revenue 1,800. So, ayan. Dahil meron tayong unearned revenue, isusulat na lang natin sa debit column yung 1,800 and then yung ating revenue sa credit naman under ng adjustment na 1,800. So, yan po yung pagta-transfer ng adjustment from the journal to worksheet. Okay? So, ang isang dapat natin tandaan, hindi na natin isinusulat yung mga accounts title from the journal or from the adjusting entry na meron naman sa trial balance. So, ang sinusulat na lang po natin, tinatapatan natin yung account at sinusulat natin yung amount under ng adjustment. Kung debit man siya or credit man siya. Okay? And then next step natin, step 5 na tayo, adjusted trial balance naman. Okay? So, sa adjusted trial balance column, writing necessary adjustment. In the adjustment column, the balance of every account relating to adjustment is ascertained, and thereafter all ledger account balances, including adjusted ledger balances, are recorded in the debit and credit columns of the adjusted trial balance. So that is unadjusted balances of trial balance are adjusted as per rules, and these are written down in the column of adjusted trial balance. Writing all ledger balances, adjusted and adjusted in adjusted trial balance, totals of debit and credit are ascertained to prove that arithmetical accuracy of the ledger accounts. So, sige, tingnan natin kung paano naman gagawin yung adjusted trial balance. So, dito naman sa adjusted trial balance, meron tayong apat na importanteng dapat tandaan. Okay? In preparing adjusted trial balance. So, una po, sa adjusted trial balance, kasi ang dalawang data na titingnan natin dito is yung transfer natin na trial balance at yung transfer natin na adjustment. Okay? So, titingnan natin, ang una nating dapat tandaan or dapat tingnan ay kung may katapat ba yung trial balance na data sa adjustment. Kasi kung wala naman, ita-transfer mo lang siya. Kung nasa debit side siya ng trial balance, ilalagay mo lang din siya sa debit side ng adjusted trial balance. At kung nasa credit side naman siya at wala pa rin siyang katapat sa adjustment na data, ay ita-transfer mo lang din siya sa adjusted trial balance under naman ng credit column. Okay. Halimbawa po, itong nandito sa tapat ng cash, accounts receivable, equipment, and accounts payable. Kung papansinin natin, wala silang katapat. Like 15,500, walang data sa adjustment. Kaya, transfer lang siya under ng adjusted trial balance debit column. Okay? And yung 4,500, 45,000, and 4,000. Ganon din po. Transfer lang siya. Kasi, wala namang effect sa adjustment. Okay? At pangalawang dapat tandaan, pag parehas debit yung data, debit yung data sa trial balance at debit din yung data under ng adjustment. Ang gagawin lang ay ipa-plus lang or i-add lang yung dalawang debit na to and then is equals to debit. Okay? Parang debit plus debit is equals to debit. Okay? Ang halimbawa naman natin dito sa ating given, like ito, yung 15,000 pesos na salaries expense, at saka yung adjustment na 2,000 pesos under ng debit column. So, dahil pareha silang nasa debit, i-add lang sila. 15,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 17,000. Nakalagay pa rin siya sa debit column. Okay? So, number 2 natin, debit plus debit is equals to debit. And then, number 3 natin na dapat tandaan is kung parehas naman silang credit. Kung parehas silang credit, same as with debit, ay pagsasamahin lang din sila at ilalagay naman sa credit column. Halimbawa naman, itong revenue natin na 31,000 na credit and then sa adjustment ay 1,800 na credit. So, 31,000 plus 1,800 is equals to 32,800. Okay? Credit plus credit is equals to credit. Okay? Pang-apat naman natin na dapat tandaan ay kung magkaiba. Halimbawa, sa trial balance nakalagay credit. Nasa credit yung data or yung amount. At sa adjustment naman, nasa debit naman yung data. So, paano naman ang gagawin? So, ima-minus lang siya. Siyempre, merong isang mataas doon. At titingnan mo anong side yung mas mataas. Kung credit ba or debit. Dito sa example natin or sa illustration natin, tingnan natin yung unearned revenue. 'Di ba meron siyang amount na credit 3,000 at sa adjustment naman merong debit amount na 1,800. So, mas mataas yung 3,000 kesa sa 1,800. At i-minus natin, 3,000 minus 1,800 is equals to 1,200. Ito po siya. Kung bakit siya nasa credit? Kasi mas mataas yung credit amount kesa sa debit amount. Okay? Yun po yung apat na dapat tandaan in doing and preparing adjusted trial balance. So, una, kapag walang data sa adjustment na katapat ng trial balance, ay simply transfer lang yung data from the trial balance to adjusted trial balance. At pangalawa, kung parehas debit, just simply add and then equals debit. Pangatlo, pag parehas credit, just simply add and then lagay sa credit yung total amount. And then pag magkaiba, titingnan mo, ima-minus mo muna and then tingnan mo alin yung mas mataas na side, debit ba or credit. And then dun mo ilalagay yung total amount. So, dyan sa adjusted trial balance natin, ayan, ito transfer lang and then yung 3,000 minus 1,800 is equals to 1, 2, nilagay siya sa credit side. Kasi mas mataas yung credit side na 3,000. And then yung 20,000, 30,000, transfer lang kasi walang katapat na data. And then itong revenue, 31,000 minus 31,000 plus 1,800 is equals to 32,800. Ilalagay sa credit column. And then itong salaries expense natin na 15,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 17,000 under naman ang debit column.